Dear students, I am Aditi Fadke, working as a teacher in Nasik Education Society's English Medium School, Untawadi. I am sure you must have followed first lesson gravitation, completed the activities and the exercises regarding the lesson. I know you are learning nowadays in an environment where neither your teachers nor your friends are beside you. The time is expecting us to use new technology for learning. Being students of new generation, I'm sure you must have adopted to it, rather enjoying the audio visual techniques. I'm thankful to Nasik Education Society and our headmistress Mrs. Swati Partsure for making this platform available for teaching. In this session, we will start lesson number 2, periodic classification of elements. We will cover points introduction, Doberan's triad, Newland's law of octave in this session. You have learned about classification of plants and animals as per their characteristics in earlier standards. This classification is based on similarities and differences among them. In this lesson, we will learn about classification of elements. Before we start, let us recall what you have learned earlier. You know that there are four types of matters: solid, liquid, gas, and plasma. Matter can also be classified into pure substances and mixtures. Pure substances are classified into elements and compounds. Smallest particle of matter is atom. Atoms come together to form molecules. Molecules of the elements are made up of only one type of atoms. For example, hydrogen, oxygen, chlorine. While atoms of compounds are formed from more than one type of atoms. For example, water, carbon dioxide, common salt. Here the molecule of water is formed from two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen. Today, we know 118 elements, but around 220 years ago, only 30 elements were known. These elements were classified into metals, nonmetals, and metalloids depending on the properties. Afterwards, knowledge about the elements and their properties went on increasing, and the scientists tried to classify the elements in systematic manner. German scientist Dobereiner found the relation between the properties of the elements and atomic masses. He formed groups of three elements having similar properties. He called them as triads, and he found that atomic mass of the middle element is equal to the mean of the masses of other two elements. For example, atomic masses of chlorine and iodine are 35.5 and 126.9 respectively. Their mean comes out as 81.2, which is comparable with the atomic mass of bromine, which is 79.9. He gave more examples of the triad as lithium, sodium, potassium, calcium, strontium, barium, etc. Complete the activity and identify Doberanner's triads among the following. You will find that sulfur, selenium, and tellurium, and beryllium, magnesium, and calcium are triads, but magnesium, calcium, and strontium do not make triad. Likewise, scientists found that Doberanner's law of triad cannot be applied to all the elements known at that time. So, scientists tried to find more systematic way to classify the elements. Newland, an English scientist, stated law of octave. He arranged elements in an increasing order of their atomic masses and found that every eighth element has properties similar to those of the first. For example, sodium is eighth from lithium and both have similar properties. Compared with octave in music, in Indian classical music, the notes are sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni, and then eighth one is again sa. Similarly, every eighth element has properties similar to that of the first. Newland fitted all the known elements in a table of 56 boxes. But there were certain limitations of this Newland's law of octave. First one, it is applicable to elements only up to calcium. Second one, Newland placed two elements in the same boxes. For example, cobalt and nickel, cerium and lanthanum. Third one, Elements with different properties were placed under the same note in the octave. For example, cobalt and nickel are placed with halogens. Properties of cobalt and nickel do not match with halogens, while iron Fe having properties similar to cobalt and nickel is placed under the note T. Fourth one, there was no place for new elements which were discovered later. Solve this activity. Question 1. Calculate and find the atomic masses of the middle element of the triad. Atomic mass of lithium and potassium is given as 6.9 and 39.1 respectively. You have to calculate the atomic mass of sodium. Question number 2. Observe the following table and answer the questions. Name the rule and state the rule. Question number 3. What are the limitations of Newland's law of octave?